Brad Williams, Excel primed. Count if two criteria match. Here we have a range, blue, and we have color and we have quantity. What's the criteria? Greater than 0. Green greater than 15. What are we doing? We're counting. Do we have to be concerned about a case sensitivity? No, because we're using the count ifs and we know we don't have to worry about case sensitivity. And the criteria, count ifs, we can use range, criteria, range, and criteria. What's the range? As I said, B5 to C11. And what are we asking? Is there anything within the range greater than 0? It's simple. We don't care about color. In the first example, we're asking anything within this range greater than 0. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is 7. The next criteria, count how many greens. What's the next? Green greater than 15. 1. What if we put green? We'll just put this as 14. This is an and statement. Green and 15. We have green. We have 14. You get that? It was an or statement. We could have 14, green or 15. But here we have green and 15. Change that back. Control Z. And we have 1. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.